Hello and welcome to Nick Tries Things, the show where I try things. And today, picked this up in the reduced section of my local Tesco supermarket. Other supermarkets are available, of course. And these are almond Peperos. Pepero. They're #1 in Korea. They're obviously not #1 in Tesco's because they were clearing these out. To be fair, it's a smaller Tesco store, and their world food section is much smaller, so it's probably just making space for other things. But yeah, I mean, these to me, on first look like Pockies, which I think are Japanese, and they used to be called Mikados over here, but those kind of like thin biscuit sticks with chocolate on. I mean, this says they're biscuit stick cozy with chocolate flavour, cream and almonds, right? So you kind of, you know what you're gonna get. I've not had these though. I don't think I've had Pockies actually, thinking about it. Just because they didn't look any different to what we were already getting. It's a nice little silver bag. But yeah, I used to like those. They used to be quite a nice snack. I don't know why I ever stopped buying them, to be honest. I think they just fell out of favour, but you know, it's not bad. Okay, I've opened it the right way because stick first. There you go. You can see the almonds on there, right? And that's they're approximately that long. What else to say? Chin chin. Okay. Just ever so slightly bite my lip as I'm eating that. So yeah, that's it. I like the flavour of the chocolate and the crunchy almonds. I also like the fact that the biscuit isn't too crunchy. Like, it's not soft, but it's not really hard either. Kind of more like a digestive than a rich tea. Definitely more like a rich tea in, you know, how it's made in the flavour and stuff. But do you know what I mean? Like, rich teas to me are quite vicious. The digestive softer. So yeah, I think this is softer than what I would normally expect, but good. Really nice almond flavour. These are good. These are really nice. If you like almond flavour things, I recommend these. They're quite light as well. You know, obviously, compared to like a chocolate bar or something. Like it just feels like a nicer snack. I'm trying to see. This whole pack is 168 calories. You know, it's like about 3 biscuits, 3 chocolate biscuits. These are good. Really, yeah, that's a firm favourite. That's an 8 out of 10. I'm very surprised. I didn't expect them to be quite as nice as they are. But yeah, that's strong. Nice almond flavour, nice chocolate flavour, nice crunch the biscuit. Yeah, I definitely recommend these. If you see them, pick some up. No wonder they're #1 in Korea.